guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all my recipe for baigan pie. Not to be confused with a baigani pie that you usually buy. So to make this, we're going to start with a pot on medium low heat, and to that I'm going to go in with some garlic infused coconut oil. Next, some chopped onions, and you want to saute the onions until they're translucent. Add in chopped garlic, hot peppers or pimento peppers, and saute until light brown. Next, go in with chopped potato and chopped baigan or melon. Season with salt to taste. Mix. Add a little bit of water, just like about 2 tablespoons. Cover and allow to cook until everything is tender. Allow that steam to drop back into the pot, and using the back of your spoon, you're going to mash until it's smooth like a paste consistency as you see here. Set aside and allow to cool. Next, let's work on the dough to make this. So to my flour, I'm going in with some baking powder, some yeast, mix, and go in with enough lukewarm water to create a soft to medium dough. Continue kneading the flour until it's very smooth. You want that gluten to form so you would have a really lovely outcome. Cover and set aside for 15 minutes. After the dough has finished resting, you're going to break it into smaller dough balls. Now you can make these as big or as small as you like. Open out your dough balls. You don't want to open it too thin, but you want to open it just about half of an inch thick. Or if you can go thinner, it's up to you. You don't want to go too thin, it can burst. Take 1 tablespoon of the filling and place it on the inside and bring the ends together to seal. Press really well to make sure that it seals properly. And you'll notice that I'm not using a lot of dry flour, because when you use a lot of dry flour, the ends would open out while cooking. So once you press down really well on that, it's going to seal. All you have to do now is continue opening and filling the rest of the dough balls. Once your dough balls are filled, we'll move on to frying. So on medium heat, place your pieces of filled dough into the hot oil, and you're going to fry until it's light brown and it's cooked all the way through. Next, drain on paper towels and serve with your favorite chutney or dipping sauce. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!